Picture number 1. What are they doing? They're assembling a chair. Number 2, he's assembling a computer. Number 3, he's assembling a bicycle. Number 4, he's assembling a phone. Number 5, she's assembling a fan. Look at the picture on the left. This is a light switch. Below is an electrical outlet. An electrical outlet. But from daយើងហៅ plug-in, a plug-in. Look at the picture on the right, ខាងលើ an electrical outlet and an electrical plug. So electrical outlet ជា out mean chain ជាកន្លែងមួយស្មាក់ភ្លើងអគ្គិសនី chain outlet, and the plug is the black wire. We call it an electrical plug, or we just call it a plug. And so electrical outlet we can call a plug-in, and the plug is the wire. And look at the picture on the right below. They are assembling a light switch. Number 1 is a black wire. Number 2 is a red wire. Number 3 is a white wire. Number 4 is a copper wire.